They had a terrible history. University leaders knew that all the way up to the top, and they did nothing.
In a first for Washington State, a court has found a university bears some responsibility for a student's hazing death. Sam Martinez died in 2019 during a fraternity event. And KREM 2's Shannon Mouty spoke with his family's attorney today, who says they're now closer to the trial and justice they have been waiting for all along. Shannon?
This week, Washington's Court of Appeals reversed a King County judge's dismissal of the Martinez family's lawsuit against Washington State University, meaning the university may soon have to defend itself in front of a jury. In November 2019, WSU freshman Sam Martinez died from acute alcohol poisoning. The result, Pullman police and WSU agreed, of hazing at Alpha Tau Omega, or ATO.
That same fraternity had a years-long disciplinary track record of hazing and drug and alcohol violations, other misconduct. If we had known that, Sam would still be alive today.
But Sam's mother, Jolene Houts, argued WSU was also to blame. This week, the Court of Appeals agreed the school bears some responsibility.
Extremely important. This is one of the clearest and, in my view, common sense rulings that has recently come out.
Jon Fazzola is the family's attorney. He says the ruling isn't just clear, it's historic.
The university has a duty to exercise reasonable care and to control and mitigate the fraternity's conduct to protect foreseeable victims, mainly pledges or other fraternity members.
WSU argued because the illegal hazing happened at ATO's off-campus house, it wasn't responsible. The court said it did have a duty to not only control the frat, but protect Sam from the foreseeable harms of hazing and alcohol misuse.
And when I found out, I have tears in my eyes because I was like, justice. You cannot say that you're not responsible. You're the one responsible for my son.
I was thrilled, really. I mean, this is about accountability. It's about holding WSU to account for what they knew was happening.
Happening, they say, for years before Sam died. The ruling outlines several times the frat endangered students, making them handle raw sewage and exposing them to aggressive hazing, with a 2017 parent complaint saying freshmen were made to drink large amounts of alcohol. The court said ATO used an off-campus house or live-out to avoid WSU's ban on alcohol, and that WSU knew it.
Even just months before Sam's tragic death, the fraternity's president was talking about the high risk that the live-out presented and was asking the university for help.
The ruling means the family's lawsuit is back on the table. Their exhaustive work of uncovering years of hazing may go to trial.
One of the family's primary goals has been to get this case in front of a jury.
WSU can appeal and send the case to the state's Supreme Court. A WSU spokesperson says the school is reviewing this ruling and has not yet decided on how or if it will proceed. Shannon Mouty, KREM 2 News.